화면들이 이동합니다.
The most awaited Squid Game final season is releasing soon, and here is everything you need to remember from season 2 before you binge watch the entire series finale. Squid Game season 2 starts with Ji-hoon, player number 456 and the winner of Squid Game in season 1. He is trying to find and stop the people behind the deadly Squid Game. For the past 2 years, he has been trying to find the man who recruited him. He searches every subway, every place in the city. He recruits a few people to help him find the man he is looking for. He finally catches this mysterious man who recruited him in season 1. They have a face-off and somehow Ji-hoon and the recruiter end up playing a game. After a tense game, the recruiter loses and kills himself. But Ji-hoon is now even more determined to take down the organization, and he decides to enter the game. At the same time, Detective Junho is still alive. He was shot by his brother, the frontman in the previous season. He is working quietly while trying to find his brother Ino, who turned out to be the frontman, the one running the games. Junho gets help from a new ally, Captain Park, but we later find out that Park is secretly working for these bad guys. Ji-hoon returns to the game as one of the 456 players. He tries to tell all the players he wants them to not play the game since it's deadly, but none of them believes him because of the massive prize money. Ji-hoon starts building a small team again just like last time. He meets new players including Cho Hyun-joo, a transgender woman who wants money for surgery, Thanos, a failed crypto investor trying to recover his money, a mother and son duo who are deep in debt, a pregnant woman, and many other players, making the total 456. The game starts with the deadliest and the most popular game. The first game is red light, green light. The robot is upgraded, it can detect even smallest movements faster. Not a lot of people died because Ji-hoon helped them survive by giving them quite advice from behind. The second game is called Six-Legged Panthelon. It's the first time we are seeing this game. Teams of 5 are tied together by the legs. Even if one person messes up, the whole team can fall and die. It's rough and deadly. The third game is called Mingle, another new game. Players are forced into teams, but the rules change suddenly. People have to betray their teammates to stay alive. It's a complete chaos. Outside the game, Ji-hoon requests players to vote to end the game, but more than half don't agree. Even Yeon-sik betrays his own mother. Riot breaks out, Thanos gets stabbed. In addition, a guard in the game named Noyul uncovers an illegal organ selling operation that was happening in the facility. And even the doctor who was helping them, who was also a player in this Squid Game, gets to know games beforehand for helping the guards out with this illegal organ selling. Noyul decides to stop this herself. After several rounds, things explode into violence. People vote to end the game, but again it's a tie. A riot breaks out. All the guards come towards the player to stop this chaos. Ji-hoon decides to take the organizers himself, and with the help of his group, they first arm themselves by killing the guards and then tries to take over the game facility. A huge gunfight starts between the guards and Ji-hoon's team. They make some progress but soon run out of ammo. Two of the teammates go to find more ammo, but one of them disappears out of fear. The group starts to weaken. Ji-hoon and his team make some progress and reach near the control room. But then comes the twist. One of Ji-hoon team members, player number 001, turns out to be the front man. He turns on the group, kills some of them, fakes his own death over the radio, and helps the guards regain the control. He wears his frontman mask and comes towards Ji-hoon and Jungbae, who are injured, and he reveals himself. Ji-hoon is betrayed. Ji-hoon's friend Jungbae is killed right in front of him. Meanwhile, Juno and his team are close to finding the island, but Captain Park betrays them. He even kills one of the team members to protect the game's location. The season ends with Ji-hoon captured, most of his allies dead, and the game's still running. Juno is heading towards the island, but he doesn't know he's walking into a trap. Season 3 trailer was quite intense and got us exciting with many hints in the trailer. Squid Game Season 3 releases on June 27 on Netflix. Well, that's all for this recap. See you in the next one.